How to make a post shareable on Facebook. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can make a post shareable on Facebook. So for that you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Facebook app. If you don't have, you have to go for your Play Store or App Store. Then you have to search for your Facebook on your device. After that, if there is any update available, you have to go for the update option and then you have to update up your app. And here you have to go for the open up your Facebook and log into your account. So on the top there is a photos option. You have to go for that and upload a photo from your gallery. Also, you can select a multiple photo. After selecting a photo, if you want to write something here, you can go for you can write it here, and here you can tag your friend too. So go for the next option, and only who can see your post, you have to go for the public option. So the post will be shareable on your post on your Facebook if you choose the audience for anyone or of the Facebook. So go for the down option. And also you can boost your post. Go for the turn on option and go for the post option. Wait until the post has been successfully uploaded. So here you can see that I have uploaded my post on the Facebook. And on the top you can see the global like option. You have to go for the three dot option and go for the edit post. On your edit post, so the post has been to the public, so the anyone can reshare your post. So this is the process how you can make your post shareable on Facebook. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.